This 1948 Royal Quiet DeLuxe typewriter has been fully refurbished. It is in excellent condition and it is ready for use. This is the magic margin feature. You put the carriage wherever you want the margin to be. You hit the magic margin button and you'll see the margin slide over to wherever the carriage is. And to reset it, you can either open this and manually slide it back, or you can hold that button and hold it while you slide the carriage. This typewriter is in really nice condition. It has the beautiful glass keys. It does have some wear, a few marks here and there, and you can see a few places where the paint has been touched up. Just a little bit. There's a mark here. But overall, it looks really nice. This typewriter also comes with an original Royal cleaning brush, a reprinted user's manual, and the original case, which looks pretty nice. It does have some wear and some light cracking. For its age, it looks pretty good. It has been cleaned and it is solid and it does latch well. I do not have a key for it. It's for the 1948 Royal Quiet DeLuxe.